now let's look at interpreting histograms. So this is where we're given the histogram and we're going to use the histogram to find the frequencies and then answer questions. So remember that the frequencies is the area of the bar. So in order to find the frequency for each group, I'm going to find the area for each bar. So starting with the first bar. So for the area, I want to do the width, which is 10, multiplied the height, the frequency density, which is 6, giving me a frequency of 60. Moving along, width of 10, height of 4, frequency of 40, width of 20, height of 5, frequency of 100. Last one, width of 20, height of 2.5, which gives me a frequency of 50. What we can now do is we can fill our frequency table in with the frequencies we've calculated. And then we can use these frequencies to answer questions. Number of students scoring less than 90. Well, I've got 60 for 70 to 80 and 40 for 80 to 90. So that gives me 100 students. Number of students that score more than 140. So that's part way through the last bar. So I could just divide up my bar. So I want number of students that scored more than 140. So that's half of my bar, which is going to be 25 students, half of 50. Number of students that scored more than 25. So again, we're going to then need to split the 120 to 130 bar in the middle. So that means we're going to have 15 students from the 125 to 130 plus 50 students from the last bar. So that's going to give us 65 students. Now I'd like you to complete questions 4, 5 and 6 on the histogram sheets, which are about interpreting.